What is up, YouTube? How's everybody out there doing today? I hope you guys are having a great freaking day. Second part of the first video, Zach is now down in boot camp. He's having a great time. He's not having a great time. But now I can start producing the videos that I want to produce without him being around and knowing about it. So the game plan here is the good old Integra, Zach's Integra, guys. And obviously, you know, from the channel, this is a big part of Zach's life, this Integra. This car has been through so much with him: blown up engine, broken fender, as you can see, which we might be raffling off, honestly. Comment below, let me know what you think if we should raffle that off. But yeah, so we're gonna go up in the office here and I'm gonna tell you the plan with this car, guys, and hopefully you guys can help me out. We're gonna see how it goes, but we've got 3 months, guys. We've got 3 months to do what we got to do to this. So let's go up to the office and have a discussion. All right, guys, what is up, every freaking buddy? I did have a previous video made about the Integra and what we're doing with it, but to be honest with you, I wasn't really happy with it. I didn't like it very much. I looked over it and I was like, I'm just gonna redo it. And this is the redo video. That's why it's taken me a little longer to get it out. Plus, on top of that, we are still in the process of doing something else that's gonna contribute to, obviously, the video, which I'm gonna tell you about in this one. But basically, what is gonna be happening, guys, is we are going to be rebuilding Zach's Integra. Well, we're going to try to rebuild Zach's Integra while he's in boot camp. So we have 3 months, 2 months, 3 months, 3 months to rebuild his Integra. And then what I'm thinking is I'm going to try to work with a whole bunch of different sponsors. I'm going to try to, hit up some sponsors to work with me. We're going to be selling merchandise as well, directly affiliated with, Zach and boot camping the Integra. And that's one of the things that's taking a little bit, that we're designing some new t-shirts and everything, and jazz for, merch sales and stuff like that. So basically the money that we make off the merch sales is going to go towards whatever we need to put towards the Integra that, I can't get a sponsor to help out on. Which, who knows? So let's do a rundown. Let's do a rundown of what we're going to be doing with the Integra, what I'd like to do with the Integra. First and foremost, I want to pull the engine back out because a lot of you guys don't really know. After we had to head off multiple times and mess around with that engine, it still has a head gasket leak and it's still having some issues mixing oil and water together in the radiator. So, the engine does need to come back out of that car and it needs to be gone over. And what I was thinking was building a fully forged B20 engine for him, or getting one built, hopefully through a sponsor for him. If any of you Honda guys know any companies out there that are really good at building B18s and B20s, please comment below. Actually, with anything in this video, guys, if you know somebody that's willing to contribute or is really good at something concerning this car, upholstery, paint, wrap, whatever, well, not wrap maybe, engine work, cams, stuff like that, comment below, let me know, and I can talk to them, guys. So basically, I want to do a fully forged engine. I want to get the head poured and polished. I think I might see if Lunati makes a camshaft or 2 camshafts for that vehicle. They've worked with me before in the past. Hopefully they'll work with me again with this setup as well. I talked to Senate Steve about possibly wrapping the car championship white. Zach has always wanted that car to be painted championship white. So we're going to try to wrap it. I'll be honest with you, even though I'd love to do a paint job on it, I'd love to send the car out and get it painted while the engine's out and everything after the dents are pulled. Unfortunately, I just don't think it's going to happen enough of time, and I think it's going to be too expensive. I don't think it's going to be feasible. I think wrap's just going to be obviously cheaper and easier to do for the car before he comes home. I'm going to get tires on the Motegi 6-spoke wheels that he has, so I need to get some tires. I'll probably just end up buying them. It'd probably be like $400 or $500 for tires. Not that big of a deal. I want to get the upholstery done, so his driver's and passenger side seats are ripped. So I either want to get the upholstery done on the seats that are in there, which I think they're GSR leather seats, what's in there right now, or some sort of racing seat, a comfortable, neat looking racing seat. I think he'd like the racing seat as well. The whole reason behind the whole reason behind why I want to fully forge the engine is, obviously you guys know Max Speeding Rod a while back has sponsored us on, someone's calling me again. Everyone's calling me. I can't do anything without somebody calling me. I'll call him back. So, as you know, before, Max Speeding Rods has sponsored us on some coilovers, which I'm going to be putting on the car as well during this time period of doing things to it. Also, they've supplied us with a turbo, a GT35 turbo and log manifold, which we'll be putting on the car. I do have a sponsor for some metal tubing and stuff, so I'm not really concerned about intercooler piping or down piping for the exhaust. That's going to be all taken care of. I still do need an intercooler for the car as well. I'll probably be working with Max Speed Rods on that too, because they do offer a full intercooler setup as well for that car, like a universal kit, which is cool by me. Trying to think what else I'm trying to do with that car. As you know, the fender's dented in. We do have another fender. Luckily enough, another YouTube fan actually contacted me and said, hey, you know, I've got a right side fender, driver's passenger side fender that I'm willing to give to you, but it's orange, which is not a big deal, but it's in great shape. Do you want it, yes or no? And I was like, yep, send it on over. I think his name was I gotta shout him out. I gotta shout him out, guys. Hold on a minute. I'm driving, I'm on the GoPro, and I'm on my phone all at the same time. Tell me this isn't illegal as shit. His name is, where is he? His name is Robert Palmer. No, his name's not Robert Palmer. His name is Richard Valentine. His Instagram is, that_BOHRICH is his Instagram. So go follow him. Go over there and thank him for the fender. Awesome guy. Met him for a little bit, talked to him about the plans for the Integra, and discussed what my options were, and he was very excited for the build even before you guys knew about the build as well. You know, I think this is really going to be a great thing for Zach. I think this is going to be one hell of a coming home present for him, with the help of, you know, all you guys out there. Once you start buying merch off of the site that I'll be providing at a later date, or if you're seeing this video and you see the link down below, which will be attached in, you know, maybe it'll be down there already, I don't know, but you know, if you're a new viewer and you watch this video a week after it comes out, there's probably going to be a link down below in all my videos, first link, that's going to have the description and everything, you know, on how to order, you know, whatever merch we have up for sale. Unfortunately, when you watch this video, if you're watching it on the day I upload it, there's probably not going to be a merch link down there, just so you know. So watch it later, maybe a week later, you'll see a merch link, hopefully. I think this is just going to be a really awesome thing for Zach. I think he's going to be really happy. He obviously, which is the beauty of it, does not know that this is happening, because in Marine Corps boot camp, you're not allowed to have your cell phone, you're not allowed to make phone calls, you're not allowed to do anything other than train. You're literally, you know, in training 24/7 for 12 weeks straight. It is very stressful, it's very high strung. I went to boot camp down in Parris Island, where he is now, and I know exactly what he's going through, I won't, you know, I'll hear from him through letters and stuff, but that's about it. And before anybody asks, no, I'm not going to give out his address down in Parris Island for you guys to bug him and stuff. He's down there to train, and that's what he's down there to do. So now we got this Miller Pro freaking feeder in front of me, and I can't go anywhere because he's going literally 15 miles an hour. Oh, by the way, the Duramax has 519,000 miles on it now. Almost 520,000 miles, which is freaking awesome. Oh, I think I can pass this guy. Can I? Oh, come on. Where's he going? Where's he going? No, he's going into a field. Go in that field there, farmer dude. Yeah, goodbye. See you later. Anyways, guys, so like I was saying, I think this is going to be a really awesome thing for Zach. I think he's going to be really happy to see it when he comes home, and I think it'll be a great boot camp graduation present for him. It's something that he's always wanted to do. But between school and work and, you know, going to the recruiter's office and everything to train for boot camp, the time just wasn't there, you know what I mean? And really, I don't really have the time because I got tons of work, but somehow, some way, through late nights and weekends, I'm gonna try to make it happen. Worst case scenario, guys, I'm gonna try to make a lot of it happen. That way when he comes home for his 10 days, the car is either very, very close to being done, or, you know, he sees the progress that it's made. And when he leaves, maybe he can help, you know, before he leaves to go to MCT and training for his schooling, his MOS, you know, he can help for them 10 days maybe and you know, pitch in and maybe put the motor back in, or maybe help with the turbo system, or who knows what stage the car will be at. I'm hoping it would be done is the goal. The goal is for it to be done, really. But if it's not, then, you know, he can at least see that there's been progress made on the car, and that when he comes back from schooling to go to the reserve side of the house, you know, he'll have time to finish it, or maybe all that will be needed at that point in time is a good dyno tuner or something. So anyways, guys, that's the deal of the hour, and that's what I'm trying to accomplish. Hopefully you guys can, oh look, it's C7. Hopefully you guys, you know, can, I don't know, help out by buying some merch. Share the video. I think it's for a great cause, to be honest, you know, helping out a recruit down in Paris Island. I mean, maybe not helping him out, but, you know, giving him something to look forward to, or giving him a surprise to come home to. So yeah, guys, you know, let me know what you think down below in the comments. Eventually there will be a, like I said, a merch link for merchandise to buy, specifically, you know, applying to this build and everything. And obviously I'll be making YouTube videos letting you guys know how the build's going and showing you progress on everything. So in the meantime, I'm going to be contacting sponsors and seeing if I can get helped out on some rebuild parts and stuff like that, engine build stuff, and, you know, yada yada yada. I've also talked to Send to Steve about possibly helping with doing the wrap on the car, which I think is going to be the more financially better way to go, honestly, on it. So other than that, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Instagram, Diablo Formula Racing, and deuces, guys.